About a week back, I saw in a post someone saying, how do you clean your Thermomix bowl? There was a lot of people saying to put a whole dishwashing tablet into your Thermomix with a litre of water and put it through a clean mode. I'm not really sure if that's a great idea. I don't think a dishwashing tablet is meant for such a small area. Plus, I don't know about you, but if you've ever licked the back of a silicone spatula after you've done something, I can actually taste dishwashing tablets. I don't think they're great for us, so this is what I've done all the time, ever since I've had a Thermomix. It's something that I've learnt from being in commercial kitchens. I use citric acid, and if it's really dirty, a little bit of bicarb as well. With your TM6 and with your TM7, you're going to be able to use those cleaning modes that are absolutely brilliant. Just put it through there as a brown cleaning mode, leave it to go cold overnight, and then in the morning all you need to do is just use your Thermomix brush, give it a wash out, and it will take all that brown off. Okay, so it's first thing in the morning. I am just getting my Thermomix brush and giving that a little swish around in the bottom. It doesn't take too much scrubbing because it's actually come loose. It's really quite good, this method, especially if you leave it overnight. So now I'm just rinsing that out with some water so that you can see a little bit better, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. See, absolutely amazing clean. So you don't have to use harsh chemicals and have them being ingested. So do this and you'll love it, I'm sure. Let me know how you go. So what did I do? I put enough of the citric acid in the bottom of the bowl to cover the burn marks or the browning. And then I put a pinch of baking soda in there as well because it was super dirty, this one. And then I just put enough water in to cover the blades. And then put it on the brown cleaning mode, and that's it. From here, I just put my bowl in the dishwasher with the dishes from last night.